In this video, we're analyzing a Facebook account using AXIOM. First, I need to create a case. 102, that's the number that I will be using for this video. The case type, remember that this goes with the case that you may be dealing with for the purpose of this video. I'm selecting major crimes, drug trafficking, and then change the folder name for the location of case files. Just call it Frank's Facebook. I will do the same for the location for acquired evidence. You may put more information in the description at the very bottom. Leave it blank for now. Go to evidence sources. Now it's cloud information, acquire evidence, and then I will select Facebook. You need to know the credentials, by the way, username and password. You cannot acquire any information from a Facebook account if you don't have the credentials. So one way or another, you need to have the credentials in order to acquire the evidence from a Facebook account. Select all four that are available: the timeline, the friends, messenger, profile information. I'm going to need all that. Remember, you're trying to collect as much evidence as possible. Analyze evidence, and then click the Analyze Evidence to start collecting. I'll fast forward the video. This may take a while. After a few minutes, AXIOM Examine will open to start the analysis. And here's the information that was acquired. On the top right hand side, under the artifact categories, you see all the categories that are available. If you click on any one of them, and it will show you everything on the left hand side, all the artifacts that were collected. Let's go one by one. Here you can see Facebook URLs. These are URLs that the user was browsing while on Facebook, and it's pretty much looking at different profiles, pictures and stuff, and profile of other people when you're interacting on Facebook. That's what this is. Some of them have timestamps as well. That's important in forensics. Now this is the list of identifiers, which is pretty much, you get this from the friends list, or people that the user has interacted with in the past. Account information. Now here's the username and a password. Of course, I went ahead and blurred the password. Here's the list of all the friends for this particular account. You can see pictures on the side under preview. And you can also see the friends that each one of these individuals has as well. A messenger. You can see all the messages that have been sent and received from this account. There are quite a few messages, and you can see the preview on the right hand side. And then on the bottom you can also see the name of the person that the individual was interacting with. Same thing with the profile info. You get an emails, you get phone numbers, and of course I blurred out the phone number. The timeline is tokens with, in this case, with the password on the right hand side under the details box. The Facebook profile, emails, phone numbers. Now once you finish viewing all the artifacts that were collected, you can start bookmarking. You just right click whichever item you want to bookmark, and then just right click. I'm just picking any random items. Add or tag. And select bookmark. I'll pick a couple of more, and then I'll start running the report. I'm just picking items from each category. Add remove tag, and then select evidence. Now if you go to file, create report, I'm going to leave the default path. You can change the default path, and I want my report to be in PDF. I don't want to print out all the items. I just want to print the items that I tagged, and then generate the report. A few seconds, the report is ready. Just click on the open button, click on the report.pdf, and here's my report. The information about the examiner, the case number, a little bit of information on the case overview, evidence overview, and then these are the items that were tagged. As you can see, I picked different items from different categories in my Facebook. And this is it. This is how simple it is to collect evidence from a Facebook account using AXIOM. Remember that the important thing is that you need to have the credentials in order to acquire this information. You have to have the email and the password of the individual in order for this to happen.